Hey everyone, it's Rifa and welcome to our YouTube channel. So, if you run a credit repair or business funding company, then you probably know this feeling. A lead messages you have a great first conversation, they sound interested, and then suddenly they disappear. No reply, no callback, no booked appointment at all. You can relate, right? So, in this video, I'm going to explain why credit repair and funding leads stop replying after the first conversation, and more importantly, how you can fix it using automation, AI follow-up systems, and smarter communication workflows. So, let's get started. Here's the real problem most businesses are facing. After the first contact, opportunities start slipping away very fast. Most leads go cold within the first 24 to 72 hours if there's no proper follow-up systems. And the mistakes many businesses make is this. Instead of improving their follow-up process, they just try to buy more leads. But the truth is, more leads don't fix the broken system. Meanwhile, competitors with stronger follow-up systems are converting the first same type leads into paying clients. So, the issue usually isn't the lead quality, it's the communication process after the first conversation. Okay, let's see how it usually happens. Let's look at what usually happens inside the sales process. First, there's an initial conversation with the prospect. Maybe they filled out a form, maybe they responded to an ad, or maybe they booked a consultation. Everything seems good at first, but then there's no immediate follow-up. No next step is scheduled, no reminders are sent, no nurturing process begins. Communication becomes inconsistent. A few days pass, the lead loses interest and eventually drops out the funnel completely. And just like that, one weak step causes the entire conversation flow to collapse. There are four major failures that usually kill lead replies. Number one, slow or weak follow-up. If you wait too long to contact leads again, their interest fades very quickly. Number two, no structured communication sequence. Most businesses don't have a system for consistent touch points through SMS, email, or reminders. Number three, leads are not nurtured after the first conversation. Many prospects are interested, but they're not ready immediately. They need education, they need reminders and trust building. And lastly, number four, human reps become inconsistent or burned out. Manual follow-up creates gaps, missed opportunities, and unpredictable communications. And when this problem combines, conversations drop fast. So, what's the real solution? Do you have any idea? Okay, I'm saying, let's not buy more leads. The solution is automation. An AI chatbot can instantly reply to leads, qualify them, answer basic questions, and capture information 24/7. Automated SMS follow-up helps re-engage leads quickly with very high open rates. Email nurturing builds trust through consistent communication over time. And CRM workflows automate tasks, reminders, follow-ups, pipeline movement, and funnel hands-off. When all the systems work together, your business stops depending on only manual effort. You get it, right? Okay. Here's a very simple 3-step playback you can implement. Step 1, track. Track lead status immediately after the first conversation. Monitor response windows, especially during the first 24 to 72 hours. Step 2, automate. Send instant SMS messages, follow-up emails, and chatbot qualification sequences automatically. This keeps the lead engaged while interest is still high. Step 3, re-engage. Use timed sequence and prioritize human callback for leads showing buying intent. This combination of automation plus human follow-up creates a much strong conversion system. So, what happens when you improve your follow-up systems? You get faster response because leads are contacted immediately. You create consistent communication, cadence through multi-touch follow-up sequence, and most importantly, you increase your close rate. More conversation turn into consultation, and more consultation turn into funding or credit repair clients. So, the goal is simple. Convert more of the leads you already have before spending more money on new leads. So, if you're tired of losing leads after the first conversation, now is the time to fix the system behind your follow-up process. We can help audit your current workflow, add automation, improve lead nurturing, and build a 30-day test strategy to increase conversion. If you want help setting up AI automation, SMS follow-ups, or you want to continue the follow-up sequences, check the link in the description box and book a free consultation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.